Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. Stay home and stay safe. I am Parinda Gadhiya from Shivashish Vidyalaya School teaching you computer subject. And students, today this video is for 5th standard of chapter number 3, that is MS Office at a glance. So 5th standard students, let's start our chapter number 3 with introduction. So first let's see the introduction of MS Office. Microsoft Office is a package provided by Microsoft Corporation which includes various application softwares used for variety of purpose such as MS Word is used for creating and processing Word document. Means students using MS Word application you can make different types of documents. MS Access is used for creating and maintaining the database, etc. Okay. The common features of MS Office irrespective of a versions are explained in this chapter. Since the first release of MS Office, several other versions have come out in the Windows platform this year. So students, you can see here from the first version of MS Office, and then you can see the different versions which are available in the markets, right? Now you can see the latest version of MS Office is 2019. Okay. Now let's see students some applications of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is designed to create a productive and an efficient work environment. Each application such as similar look and feel. It is possible to use the skills learned in one application in the another. Now data can be easily duplicated between the applications, reducing the time required to procedure a new documents. Means in the MS Office applications, you can copy any data from one application to another application. For example, spreadsheet data can be easily added to a word processing tool without having to retype the information. That means if you are making a table in the Excel sheet, you can copy that table from the Excel to Word without any problem. Okay. Now students, let us learn about some of these components. Means students, here you can see 7 components are there of MS Office, right? And all these components are very useful in your life. So let's see one by one. So students, our first component is MS Word. MS Word is a word processing applications. Okay, it is used to create, edit and manage documents. Means using MS Word you can create documents. Second, MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is a presentation application. Means using this application you can make presentations with different uses. Okay. Third, MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet calculation. So using the MS Excel application you can do big calculations, you can manage big database and you can making charts. Now next, MS Access. MS Access is a database management applications. Okay, means it is used for creating and updating data from the tables. Next, MS Outlook. MS Outlook is an application designed to manage your emails. Means because of this MS Outlook, your all the emails are managed in your computer. Next, MS Publisher. MS Publisher is a desktop publishing application. Means it is used to create publications like office reports, brochures, business cards, etc. Okay. And last, MS OneNote. It is a computer program part of MS Office suite that is used to create notes. Okay, it includes handwritten and typed notes that can contain tables, pictures and drawings. Okay, so students, here you can see 7 components are there, and students you have to learn all these components with the application's name. Means for example, MS Word is known as word processing application, MS PowerPoint is known as presentation application. Like that you have to learn all the components with its application's name. Okay. Now next, components of Microsoft Office Windows 10. Okay, means each application of Microsoft Office 2010 works in the form of a window. The window is an application interface. It is made up of several components. Okay, so let's see some basic components of Microsoft Office. Basic components means whether you open Word, PowerPoint or Excel, you can see all these components in every applications. Okay, like quick access toolbar, title bar, minimize, maximize, close button, then ribbon, ruler, dialog box launcher, status bar, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. Okay, you can see all these common components are available in every MS Office applications. Okay, like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Publisher, OneNote. Okay. Now students, we studied 7 different components of MS Office in this chapter, right? But 3 main components are there in your textbook and we will discuss it, okay? So let's see, first discuss Microsoft Word. MS Word is a word processing tool which is used to create professional looking documents, right? Which I already discussed with you. Means if you want to make some document which looks like professional, you have to open Microsoft Word application. The documents can include text, graphics, tables, clip art, borders, shading, etc. Okay, to make your documents professional looking, you can use all these tools from your Word application. This document can be created, saved, edited and printed as and when required. Okay, you can do all these operations in your Word document with Microsoft Word application. Okay, now next component is Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool to create professional presentations and slideshow from the scratch or by using the easy to use wizards. This is a tool for presenting ideas and information in an interesting manner. Okay, you already know, right? What is PowerPoint application or how to make a PPT, right? It allows you to place the content into a series of slides which can then be projected using projector to an audience or printed and distributed as handouts or published online using different file formats. Okay, if you are making any presentation on any topic, you can display or explain in a better way in the front of audience. Okay. Now let's see important features of MS PowerPoint 2010. Here you can see 2 important features are there. First, slide layouts and second, design themes. Okay, so let's see one by one. First, slide layouts. These are predefined layouts of slides which can be selected according to the requirement. And it is important to choose a proper slide layout to making an effective presentations. Okay, now let's say students what is slide layouts in practical. So let's say students how to open a PowerPoint. First we discussed Microsoft Word. You already know, right, how to open Microsoft Word. Now today we will discuss how to open PowerPoint application. Okay, so students, to open a PowerPoint application, first click on the start button, then type power from the keyboard and here you can see PowerPoint application is available. So click on it and you can see your PowerPoint application is open now. Okay, now click on the blank presentation. Here this is a first look of presentation. Okay, now here you can see, like in Word application, document 1 is a by default name, in Excel, book 1 is a by default name. Here in the PowerPoint application, presentation 1 is a by default name of any presentation. Okay, now let's discuss what is slide layout. Okay, now here you can see a by default first layout is like with a title and subtitle. Okay, now if you want to change the layout of the slide, here you can see an option is available, that is layout option. Okay, so click on that option and you can see here different types of layouts are available. Okay, if you want to write any comparison in your presentation, just select a comparison layout and here you can see a layout of slide will be changed, right? So using the layout application, you can change the different layouts of your slide. Got it, all of you? Now, second important feature is design theme. These are the files with predefined slide backgrounds. When a suitable template is selected, then the slide having a shaded background with a colorful pattern appear. You may start adding content to this slide. This is an easy way to make interesting presentations. Okay. Now students, let's see how to use a theme option. Okay. Now students, if you want to set a theme in your presentation, just click on the design tab. Okay, and here you can see a default themes are available in your computer. Okay, select any appropriate theme which you want to set as a background in all the slide. Okay, so select any one theme. Okay, so here you can see your background of your slide is changed. Now when you enter any times, you can see a new slide is come with a theme. Okay, means same background design. Okay, now third important feature is animations and sound effects. PowerPoint is also a multimedia application. Students, this is an important line. Why we are calling it as a multimedia application? Because in this application you can add video clips, sound clips, you can set transitions, animations options. Okay, it can be used to add text, various types of images, sounds and video clips to a presentation. Okay, so using the PowerPoint application you can make a proper presentation. Okay, now let's see how to set animations and transition in the presentation. Okay, now students, let's see how to set a transitions and animations in a slide. Okay, first type anything in your slide. For example, I am typing chapter 3, okay, as a title, and in a subtitle I am writing a name of this chapter, MS Office at a glance. Okay, okay, now students, you can see some text are there in our slide. Okay, now students, you can see here two tabs are there, transitions and animations. First you have to learn when you have to use animations and when you have to use transitions. Okay, if you want to set any effect in the text, okay, then you have to use animations. Okay, so let's see how to set animations. First select that text, okay, in which you have to set animations. Okay, so first select chapter number 3. Now select on the animation tab and here you can see so many effects are available in the animation tab. Okay, for example, I am selecting a bounce effect, then select that and you can see in the form of bouncing our text will come. Okay, now select the subtitle and again go into the animation tab and set any effect from the tab. Okay, clear how to set animations? Got it all of you? Now second thing, how to set a transitions. Okay, so transition is used for a slide. Okay, for example, if you want to set a transition, then select here in the left side a slide. Okay, select the slide and go into the transition tab, and here you can see so many effects are available, and select any effect from the transition tab. Okay, clear all of you? You can select any of the applications. Sorry, you can select any of the effects from the transition for a slide like this. Clear all of you? Now students, let's learn some quick keys. Quick keys mean shortcut keys. I know all the shortcut keys we already learned in the standard 4, but let's revise it. Okay? Okay. Now first shortcut key is to create a new file. So Control plus N. To open an existing file, open Control plus O. To save a file, if you want to save a file, Control plus S. Print a file, Control plus P. Close a file, Alt plus F4. Select the entire text, means all the text, Control plus A. Microsoft Word help, F1. If you want to need any help from the Microsoft application, press F1 key from the keyboard. Then to cut any data in the slide, Ctrl plus X, copy data, Ctrl plus C, and paste data, Ctrl plus V. Okay, so these all are the basic shortcut keys in this chapter. Okay students, now our next and last topic of this chapter is Microsoft Excel. MS Excel is a popular spreadsheet program that allows you to work well with numbers. A file in MS Excel is called a workbook. Okay, students, you have to read this second and third point. Okay, it's important. A file in MS Excel is called a workbook, and it contains many pages which are called worksheet or sheets. Okay, by default, Microsoft Excel workbook contains 3 blank worksheets which are identified by tabs displayed at the bottom of the document. Okay, let's see in practical what is workbook, what is worksheets, and 3 tabs of worksheets. Okay. Now students, if you want to open MS Excel, then first click on the start button. Okay, and type Excel from the keyboard. Now here you can see Excel application is available. So click on it and your application is open. Now click on the blank workbook, right? So students, here you can see this is a first look of MS Excel application, right? And here you can see a by default name of your Excel sheet is book 1. Okay, so Excel is called as a workbook, and here you can see 3 sheets are available as a tab. Okay, so by default 3 sheets are available in Excel 2010. Okay, now if you want to add any sheets, you can add from this option like this. Okay, clear all of you? Each sheet is divided into grid of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and column is called a cell, and each cell is referred by an address called the cell address. Any cell which is selected is an active cell. Okay, now let's see what is cell. Okay, now students, here you can see some boxes are there in the Excel sheet. Okay, so all these boxes are called a cell. Okay, and what is cell address means? For example, I'm selecting this cell, so that means the address of that cell is A1. Okay, here you can see all these A, B, C, D alphabets are called the columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are called the rows. Okay, intersection of columns and rows are called a cell. Okay, so this is a definition of cell. You have to remember it. Okay, so uh, how to know the address of any cell? For example, I am selecting that cell. So what is the address of that cell? B4 means that cell is available on B column, 4th row. Okay, here you can see a cell address, and the cell which is selected right now is called a active cell. Okay, for example, I am selecting right now this cell, so C4 cell is known as the active cell right now. Okay, now basic components of MS Excel are formula bar, name box and sheet tabs. Okay, formula bars means using some formula you can calculate long multiplications or any operations, right? Name box means address of your cell, and sheet tabs means sheet 1, 2, 3 which is available in the by default. Okay, now MS Excel can be used for calculation, database management, preparation of charts, etc. So let's see one by one. First, calculation. You can do any kind of calculations using formula and functions. Okay, if you want to make any results, okay, of your exam, you can make so many students results at a time using the Excel sheet. Second, database management. When you has to deal with a large amount of data, which could be few hundreds or 11,000s of data. Okay, so that means long data can be managed in the Excel sheet. And third, charts. It is a pictorial representation of data. You can create different types of graph easily from the data in the spreadsheet. Okay, you can make or you can type different types of graphs. Okay, after the making graph, you can edit that graph, you can change the color of that graph, you can take any designs, different designs of the graph. Okay, clear all of you? Okay students, so what we learned today? Today we learned MS Office at a glance, chapter number 3. In that chapter, first we discussed different versions of MS Office and different components like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, MS OneNote, MS Publisher, MS Excels, right? After that we learned different components, means basic components of MS Office. Okay, like ribbons, quick access toolbar, minimize maximize toolbar, scrolls means vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar, etc. Right? After that we discuss three main components of Excel. First Word, second MS Presentation and third MS Excel. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.